bata ko. And super dami ko na napanood. And isa nga sa favorite episode ko yung sa kanila, Mama Iza, yung Yaya. And LRT, classmate din nila, Kim Chu. Actually, marami ako napanood. And kaya hindi ako makapaniwala na ngayon na naging parte na ako ng Shake, Rattle, and Roll. And parang sa history na rin po di ba? Kasi next generation ang kumbaga. Kaya thank you, Mother Lily and Miss Rosel. Kaya busy si Miss Rosel. Thank you, Miss Rosel. I love you so much for trusting me and trusting us. So yeah.
Ayun po, fun fact, trivia. Ito po ay second Shake, Rattle, and Roll ko. Actually, I was 6 years old nung unang nagbigay tiwala ang liga sa akin. Isa po yun sa mga talagang malapit sa puso ko dahil nanalo po ang Best Child Actor ng time na yun sa aquarium episode ng Shake, Rattle. So thank you. Bali 19th anniversary ko lang po kayo dito. So it's an honor na may magawang kayo na story at sa pagbabalik ng Shake, Rattle. This time much extreme at marami kaming ibibigay pa sa inyo na talagang panibago para sa taste ng ating mga Arena babies.
Yes, actually this is not my first Shake, Rattle, and Roll. I was in the last Shake, Rattle, and Roll sa Ahas episode. I was one of the model talents. Pero now, being the latest Shake, Rattle, and Roll, syempre ako feel very blessed and I'm honored kasi simula bata din ako, isa din yung Shake, Rattle, and Roll sa pagpapalito kong panoorin. So, dati pinapangarap ko lang na pag napapanood ko yung mga artista, yung lupit naman sana paglaki ko kasama ko. And now nandito ako para it's a surreal experience and I'm just very happy and excited na mapanood na rin lahat yung pinaghirapan namin.
My last question was for Miss Isa. Miss Isa, I would like to ask ko kasi di ba sabi niyo po kanina na this is your comeback after
Did I say that?
po yung sa pandemic na yes. Opo, kumusta po? Ano po yung expectation mo as of this moment? How's working with another episode of Shake, Rattle, and Roll? Last year po yata yung Yaya.
Yes. So expectation, klaruhin ko lang, expectation with regards to the project or life, cast, finances?
Upcoming back po.
Okay, okay. Yes, so comeback ko siya from motherhood, sa totoo lang. Kasi I was doing naman other projects during the pandemic, but it's been a year, it was over a year since I had to take a pause, and then now, of course, the comeback is real. I'm here. Ang bilis, parang hindi ko masyadong pahinga. Pero ang ganda lang kasi pagbabalik ng Shake, pagbabalik ko din sa pelikula. So, it feels great to be back working. And my expectation, honestly, pag gumagawa kasi ako ng isang proyekto, ayoko masyadong maglagay ng expectations. Kasi nakaka-pressure siya. As Jane said, let's enjoy the day. Ako, I enjoy the process of making the film. I enjoy this, being with all of you today, promoting the film, and siguro I'll refrain instead of expectation. Siguro ang dasal, no? Ang ating hiling sa Panginoon, ang ating hiling. Sana maraming makapanood nitong pelikula ko. Actually, ang hiling ko ay beyond sa Shake, Rattle, and Roll, no? It's for the entire industry. Na sana magbalik na ang ating mga kapwa Pilipino sa panonood ng sine, ng pelikula. Starting ngayon po, ang opening day ng A Very Good Girl. Tayo po ay nananalig because ang tagumpay po ng isang pelikula ngayon really will signify the coming back to life of Philippine cinema. So that's really my fervent prayer.
Thank you so much. So next, our next